Hi, I'm Yuto. I started my channel to show you many wonderful spots in Japan. These days, the number of foreign travelers to Japan is increasing, and we have the Olympic Games Tokyo in 2020. For those travelers, I want to pick up nice and sometimes local unknown places where you must go. This time, me and my wife experienced best river activities. It is in Minakami, which is in Gunma Prefecture. We can get there in 2 hours by train, and the nearest local station is Minakami Station of JR Line. Jump on Shinkansen from Tokyo Station and get off in Takasaki Station, then get 2 local lines. If your hotel or rafting base offer transportation such as private bus, and it is from the nearest Shinkansen station Jomo Koben, it's much easier to access because no transfer and just 1 hour from Tokyo Station by Shinkansen. This time, we stayed in canyoning and rafting base called Canyons in another hotel. End of April and beginning of May is the best season for river activities. Spring has come to this area. The river is risen by mellow water. Before tomorrow's adventures, we decided to build up our energy. And the beer. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell.